Can you find the equivalent resistance between X and Y in just a few seconds? This looks tricky at first, but it's actually very simple. Once you spot the pattern, pause the video right now and comment your answer before proceeding for the solution. Let's see how many of you can solve it correctly. Welcome to Electrical Engineering XYZ, where we solve electrical engineering problems in the simplest way. Notice, the middle horizontal wire goes directly from X to the vertical connection near the right side. That means the point at X and the point where the vertical line meets the top and bottom branches are actually the same node. So both ends of the first three top resistors are connected between the same two nodes. And the first three bottom resistors are also connected between the same two nodes. A resistor only matters if there is a voltage difference across it. But here, the direct wire makes those two ends the same potential. So the voltage across those 6 resistors is effectively 0. Hence, no current flows through them. These resistors are effectively short-circuited and can be ignored. After removing the shorted part, only the last top 10 ohms and the last bottom 10 ohms remain between node and node. These two are in parallel. When two equal resistances are connected in parallel, the equivalent resistance becomes half of one of them. So 10 divided by 2 equals 5 ohms. Therefore, the equivalent resistance between X and Y is 5 ohms. Alternatively, you can use parallel resistors formula shown above to solve. So that was all about this equivalent resistance problem. Did you get the correct answer? Subscribe to Electrical Engineering XYZ for more quick and easy electrical engineering solutions.